Massive Matthew, the Category 4 hurricane, kills close to 270 people across the Caribbean. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Jamaica and the United Kingdom extend their hands to Haiti.
Did politicians steal ODPEM's thunder and sideline the agency during preparations for Hurricane Matthew? A top-ranking disaster official speaks out.
Chaos on Constant Spring Road. Broken sewer main damages roadway. Motorists fume over lengthy delays. We'll have a live report.
And in business news, Britain pledges closer ties with Jamaica after Brexit.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This is what we're asking. We're asking, if a natural disaster threatens, do you think the government should forcibly move people from their homes and businesses?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after these messages.